I wanted to do a follow-up video on cleaning your BG-60 machine. If you're noticing you're getting a lot of flaking, there's a couple of extra steps you can take. Number one, run the machine for about 15 minutes right before you're going to clean it. You want to stir up the particles. So run it and immediately go and dump the machine. That's step number one. Step number two is I'm going to show you a quick video here. So in this video, what you're going to do, this is the picture of the machine with the cover off. You're going to use about 10 ounces of water only. You're going to be creating like an agitation effect. And we're going to show you in this video how to do it. Now, you're not going to do it on a table. You're going to be holding it in the air. But these are the directions you want to agitate. So you're going to fill the machine with 10 ounces of water, roughly. Not full, the full fill is close to 48. So you want to just get a little bit of water in there so you can get a lot of swishing action. When you go to agitate the water, you're going to go holding it in the air, left, right, like that. And then you're going to go like in a circle like that, holding the handles. I just want to do one more time. You're going to fill with 10 ounces of water. And okay, so you're trying to get the water to swish between the electrodes there. So you're going to hold in your hand with about a 10-ounce fill of water, and you're going to swish it around. So it's going to go side to side through the electrodes. And then it's going to go like in a cyclonic effect, doing a circle. Okay, so do this repeatedly until you see the particles reducing. And again, it's very important that you turn on the machine before you go to clean it to stir up the particles. You do this sort of washing machine agitation effect. Again, if you put too much water in there, there will be no way to really bang into the particles to get them out. So this initial 10-ounce fill with the swishing actions is repeated until you see the particles reducing. Once those particles reduce, then you can go back to the normal cleaning steps in the video and basically do a fill with hot sink water up to the top of the side tube, dump, rinse a few times, dump it out. But if you're getting those excessive particles, please take these extra steps. And you can contact us for any other suggestions. If you do this procedure, you should be able to basically get rid of the excessive carbon deposits. And this is just normal buildup, but you do want to make sure you're trying to clean out as much of those carbon particles as possible. I hope this helps. Again, any questions, if you're running into a lot of particles, you can just give me a call and we'll watch this video. We can just review the process with you. Thank you.